You know how, when you put on your old pair of shoes, your foot just slides right into them? But then you get a new pair, and you may have to use a shoehorn, or maybe a couple of fingers behind the heel to get your foot in. Well, the same thing happens with car parts. That old fan belt came right off. The new one takes a little bit of effort to get on. Those old springs fell right out. But the new ones takes a little bit of work, a little bit of tweaking to get them in place. After all, there's a reason why hammers come in different sizes and pry bars come in different lengths.